with Canada's King of Polka, Walter Ostanak and his show band. With his and your friends, Murray McFadgen, Ed Gierke, Joey Miskelin, and America's Polka King, Frankie Yankovic. And now, here's your Polka Time host, Kevin J.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Polka Time. If this is just the first time you joined us, you're in for a terrific good time. If you want to join us on the dance floor, we always extend the invitation. As a matter of fact, we're going to do exactly that with the Iron Range Polka. Here's the whole band.